Good morning, gurus. Big congratulations on Bitcoin. Massive pump yesterday. 67,300. It pumped all the way from 60. We bought it at 59. It pumped all the way 62. Look at this massive volume that came in. 62 pumped all the way to 68. Had a huge sell-off. Came back down to 64. Look at that spike, liquidation spike. 68, 64. And now we're recovering 67,300. People chatting in the charts, talking about different information. You can join them. Crypto Guru Chat, $2.4 trillion market cap, 314,000 viewers. Bitcoin Price.live. You can set up this chart on your screen as well. And Bitcoin pumping right now, 67,300. Going to try and take out that 68K. You get a 60K bonus with Bybit when you sign up. Use this QR code. Join us in the World Series of Trading. Bitcoin at 73. Greed from fear 2 weeks ago. 54% dominance. Funding fee positive. 67,400. It's pumping right now. Massive volume came in yesterday. Look at that huge volume. One of the biggest volume days on Bitcoin. We're going to jump into the charts. I'm going to show you my nearly $700,000 account. I withdrew more than 300,000 from this account. So it's actually from 150K 1 year ago to more than $1 million. But I'll keep this count at around 600K and keep withdrawing from it. You can see my trades. I'm going to show you my Bitcoin trades, which activated at 59K. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. Now we're jumping into the charts for Bitcoin. My Bybit account, 699, about to hit 700,000. Let's watch it. 699,912, 699,924, 700,000, everyone. This week from 643 to 700 and back down to 699. 643 to 700, so I made $67,000 this week. $67,000 this week. This month from 613 to 700, so I made $90,000 or $87,000 this month. But it was a wild roller coaster. We went from 613 to 740, down to 643, back to 699. But for the month then, for the total from 613 to 699, about $97,000. We're back above 700,000 right now. Amazing. Big congratulations to all of you who followed my trades. This is my Bitcoin trades. I'm going to show you my futures trade. This is when I sold Bitcoin in August, warned everyone at the drop at 65, bought at 52, sold at 62, bought at 59, now we're at 67. Funding fee is going positive. My Bitcoin trade, $29,895 in the profits. You watched me activate this trade in my video 1 week ago. Almost $30,000 in profits on this Bitcoin trade. Let's see if it switches to 30,000. It's a $240,000 Bitcoin trade. So I made $29,960, almost $30,000 while paying $367 in fees. And that's what I always tell everyone in my trades. When I risk 300 to make 30,000, no one you don't really believe me, but here you can see it. I used $367 to make almost $30,000 profit, which is beautiful. You can see the spot positions as well. These were my buys on Bitcoin spot. The other ones was futures, and this is my spot when I bought at 52, sold at 62, bought exactly the bottom on spot also. Look at that. Exactly bought that 58,900 bottom, and now we're at 67,400. My asset breakdown, 21% Bitcoin, 35% USDT, 13% MCRT, 9% World, 9% Doge, 7% Uni, 2% Sui. And Bitcoin is pumping as we speak right now. Bitcoin is pumping. You can see 67,491. It's about to try and take out that 68 that we got rejected and came back, and now it's 67. It's pushing out right now, which is beautiful. My Bybit account is sitting at 700,000, up from 643 this week, and this month 613. So about $87,000 this month, which is beautiful. My Bitcoin trade, this is my spot positions, and this is my leveraged Bitcoin trade, and those were my assets that I was holding. This is the spot assets that I'm holding in the breakdown. Let's do World, which is one of my biggest holdings. Let's Bitcoin and World. So going into the chart, let's go first into Bitcoin, 67,400, breaking out right now. There is a big rising wedge on the daily, but it's trying to break through it right now. These usually build pressure and break down, but you can see it's already trying to break out of it, which is beautiful. It's already above the rising wedge. If Bitcoin manages to get out of this, then it breaks out. If Bitcoin manages to get out of this bull flag, if it breaks out right now, this breakout of this massive bull flag and massive cup and handle that we've been waiting for almost This has been going on. This cup and handle has been forming since the 2022 November, when I called the top, November 2021. I was the only one in the world to call the top on the day and sold everything, if you remember my videos. So for 3 years, we've been waiting for this giant cup and handle to play out. And if it breaks out of here, it starts that massive bull run. And you can see we're about to break out. We're sitting at the top of it. But it is a big resistance. Multiple times we've gotten rejected here. 673 down to 57. 71, 71 down to 54. 71 down to 48. Then missed. Now it's coming again to 68. Does it break through here is the question. Let's go closer onto the 4-hourly. Looking quite bullish. There's a W. It's fighting. No pullbacks. It had that big sell-off. It reached 68K. Someone bought a lot. Reached 68K. Massive sell-off. Someone sold 600 million. And then we're trying to break through. But you can see it's getting resisted exactly on my lines. Look at that. Look how beautiful my lines are. Look how it's getting resisted exactly at that line. These are the two trades I'll take on Bitcoin. Riskier one, I'll take at 65,800. Stop loss 65,300. Take profit, the 100K target. And then I would take it to October 2025 for the top of the bull market, 560 days after the halving. This trade risks $473 to make $34,000, and this is the safer trade I would take off the monthly and weekly supports. I would take it at 63,800, stop loss 62,800, risking $988 to make $36,000. These are the two trades I would take on Bitcoin. 65,800 is the riskier one, safer one, 63,800, and this one risking 473 to make $34,000. This one risking $988 to make $36,000. And over on Bybit, you can trade. If you want to trade like me, go underneath the video, go down below, sign up to the World Series of Trading. Bybit, you get a 60K bonus, and you join the WSOT, World Series of Trading, $10 million prize pool until the 31st of October, Halloween. CoinW gives a $3,000 bonus. You can get the course, James Crypto Guru, where you get the bots and indicator bots and how to trade, learn how to do technicals, jamescryptoguru.com. And Bybit is having WSOT, $10 million prize pool till the 31st of October. Sign up using this QR code to join. Join us. There's massive lucky draw as well. Yacht, Rolexes, world-class flight tickets. You can sign up and join us till the 31st of October at the WSOT. Let's go into Bybit. My account now 698. Pull back a little bit, 698,500. So this month up from around $53,000 this week, 643 to 698 is $55,000 of profits. This is my Bitcoin trade. This is the asset breakdown. This is my Bitcoin leverage trade, $29,000 in the profits. Let's go into World, because World is one of my bigger holdings. World, $2.30, it pumped to $2.60 yesterday. On the daily, you can see it made a massive rounding bottom, and Jasper called this in the chat. Let's go onto the weekly. On the weekly charts, you can see we've got huge support now as a main support floor at $1.30 on World. And what's amazing, we actually bought the exact bottom of World at $1.30. Check this out. This was, I'll show you the exact bottom on World. Look at this. This was my buys on World. Exactly buying the bottom at $1.50. Look at that. $1.50 I bought, and now we're at $2.30. Congratulations who bought World with me. And that means we've already made from the bottom. We already made off the bottom $1.50. We've already made 104%. It pulled back a little bit, but almost 100%. Now we're up around 80% off the bottom, which is amazing. We've got a rounding bottom. We have inverse head and shoulders, which I told everyone about, and that played out beautifully. Huge pump. We have big resistance at $2.80, $3.20, $4.40, and I think in the bull market, $9.30 will be a massive resistance. I would take a trade, if not yet entered, from the support area here. You can see there's multiple touches of support. As I teach you in the Crypto and Stock Guru Masterclass, take the courses before you trade. This one opens at $2, $1.80 stop loss, take profit, $9.50, risk toward 40 times. That's the trade I would take on World. And again, we bought it perfectly at $1.50. This account 698, which is beautiful. Join us in the Telegram as well. There's 114 of you online. They're talking about ton fees, talking about war and what could happen. People discussing. This guy made 47%. Sorry, James, just saw your message to show our gains. Congratulations. And you can just see everyone chatting together, talking together. Tesla moved $500 million of Bitcoin yesterday. Tesla, the company, and they worried about it. You can see it here. North Korea blew up border with South Korea. There's increasing military. Join these 100 and something. There's people sharing charts and food, healthy food together. Eat healthy, you motherfucker. Cheetos, chocolate, BBQ, KFC, crazy DJs. Eat salads and charts. Amazing. They're all sharing their food and what they're talking about and what they're buying. And the first video when James says buy, we are at the lows after the bear market. That's the ideal to buy in. We're already pumped off that, which is amazing. Again, World Series of Bybit up for until Halloween. Join us there. I'll keep it at that. That's my updates in the market. Big congratulations everyone on Bitcoin. Massive pump. Look at that, trying to break out 60k right now. Let's see how it does. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Love you all. Big congratulations, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.